Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Maresfield in West Sussex on this beautiful autumn morning and excited to show you around one of our garden gyms you can see tucked away in this beautiful garden. So this building is 4.2 wide and 3.7 deep in the anthracite colour, and you can see how well that sinks into a well-established garden with the greens. It still is a really valid colour. I'm now offering it in black as well, but for this particular client the anthracite was the right choice. Real collaboration on this one, so we had the groundworks done by Tom Manville, TJM Landscapers and Groundworks. They're now working under our umbrella, and also M8 for the gym equipment. More on that in a moment. So Tom has not only done a concrete base, also done the paving around that. That has allowed this building to be just slightly higher internally, keeping under the 2.5 metres because we are near a boundary. So the building still is under that, but it has just given a little bit of extra space for the gym equipment. Additionally, this is the one you may have seen before where we have done the recessed roof. So if I just open the doors up, what you can see hopefully there is the roof section is set up to recess in that middle section. So we've kept all the insulation, that quality works the same, but what we've done is we've lost the cavity for the downlight. So instead of the downlights, which you can see either side, we've got the LED wash lights. And that's a great option when you're looking to have extra headroom for something like this, your cross trainer or maybe a running machine, but don't want to have to go through the whole rigmarole of planning or have the building further away from the boundaries than you want. So that's a really nice option. We've done it a couple of times now, and this is the first one we've been able to show you. The Kite, of course, has got the French doors, 4.2 wide, nearly half of that is opening now. It's really nice, big open space, a lovely proportioned building. The 3.7 deep works so well. Inside, the client has got a sauna there, which is absolutely lovely, and been enjoying that. Already had a couple of bits of gym equipment, and that got serviced by M8, so thank you for them to that. And then some new equipment installed by them, supplied and installed, including this lovely weight section here. So if I could just step in there, you can see, kind of getting a feel of that. So just worked with the heights on this building, but it has worked very nicely along with the bench there. Some weights are coming, and we're probably going to get a mirror up once that's done. Climate control up in the top right corner there, really nice unit there. It's the new Dakin unit. It really is a slick option. I really like that there, and something I've not seen before actually, but I really like this, so I'll share it with you. This client has bought a standalone outdoor shower. Not crazy money, he said, but has worked really nicely. So for cold showers after your sauna, what a great idea. Just connected up to the hose right now. So I think it really works well. So there you go. That's one of our pre-designed kites in the anthracite colour with that lovely big wide doors. 4.2 wide, 3.7 deep, sauna, gym space, collaborating with M8 and say TJM on the groundworks. So thank you to those teams. Hope this is of interest to you. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you for watching. Cheers.